Very handy tool bag, takes my 2-part soldering iron station and temperature control unit, full-size multimeter, pliers, cutters, precision screwdriver set and assorted bits and bobs like solder, flux, desolder braid and instructions book for the iron, no problem. A well-made little thing, size makes it very transportable and lots of useful pockets inside and out. And all at a bargain price. Talking about the smaller of the two versions of this, I've bought the 43cm version as well now, and that is perfect for keeping my ski and snowboard servicing kit together and safe. Just as good as the Stanley version at half the price. Best small tool bag available. We use it for all the household odd job tools. Fits underneath the sink. Or in a small cupboard. Very well made with a strong zip. Would definitely recommend over a small plastic toolbox. A nicely made bag, but it is quite small as a tool bag. But if you know what tools you will need for a job and they will fit in, then you could do a lot worse. Physically, it has stood up well to the everyday rigors of use. I use it for keeping a Makita DJR 188 recip saw and spare blades, safe and together. It's a great fit. Am very pleased. Recommended. I hope you found this review helpful. Lovely little tool bag to keep my bits and bobs. Very sturdy, well made. The little pockets are handy. Knocked a star off as after I bought this I saw a bag like this in Aldi for the same price that came with tools included. But, I still think this was a good buy. Still in good shape after 2 months light usage. I wanted something that could house all the screwdrivers, nails, tape measures, etc. that were always laying around without any real space to store them. Click link in description for more reviews.